Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print an AutoCAD drawing to scale using a complete setup. Printing to scale is one of the most important skills in AutoCAD because it ensures your drawing comes out correctly sized, readable, and professional when plotted or exported as a PDF. Let's get started. First, open your drawing and make sure you are working in a Layout tab. This is important because printing to scale is done from paper space, not model space. If you don't already have a layout set up, switch to Layout 1 or create a new one. Next, check your viewport. Your drawing should be visible inside a viewport window. If you don't have one, type MVUE in the command line and press Enter. Then draw a rectangular viewport on your layout sheet. This viewport is what displays your model space drawing on the paper. Now, double-click inside the viewport to activate it. You are now controlling the model space view through the layout. At this point, you need to set the correct scale. For example, you might choose 1 to 100, 1 to 50, or another scale depending on your drawing requirements. You can set this from the status bar or through the Properties panel. Once the scale is set, it's very important to lock the viewport so the scale doesn't change accidentally. Click on the viewport border, press Ctrl+1 to open Properties, and find Display Locked. Set it to Yes. This ensures your view stays fixed. Now we move to the printing setup. Right-click on the Layout tab and choose Page Setup Manager. Click Modify to open the settings window. Here, select your printer or PDF plotter, such as DWG to PDF, if you want to export your drawing digitally. Next, choose the correct paper size, such as A4 or A3, depending on your project requirements. After that, set Plot Area to Layout. This ensures the entire sheet is printed exactly as you see it in Paperspace. Then make sure the plot scale is set to 1 to 1. This is a critical step because the viewport already controls the drawing scale, so the layout itself must remain at full scale. Before finishing, check your plot style settings carefully because this controls how your drawing will actually look when printed. Plot styles determine important details like line weights, line types, and how different colors are translated into grayscale or printed line thickness. If your plot style is not set correctly, your drawing may look too light, too dark, or unclear when printed. Now, click Preview to review your drawing. This step is important because it helps you catch any issues before printing. If everything looks good, click OK to print or export your drawing as a PDF. And that's it. You've successfully set up and printed an AutoCAD drawing to scale with a proper layout and viewport setup. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.